Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to make a lemon tea and I will show you. First, prepare the ingredients. We need to prepare tea bags. 2 tea bags. It's up to you, the milk. And then lemon juice. If you don't have a lemon juice, you can use orange juice or something like that. It doesn't matter. And then we need the ice cubes, and then hot water, and also in the glass. This is the step and instruction, so you can follow it. First, put and take a glass into the table. And then open hot water in the bottle and add some water in the glass. It's up to you how much is it. If you think isn't enough, you can add it more. The next step is put the tea bags in the glass like that. Show the instruction. It's up to you how many tea bags you can. Just use 1 tea bag or 2 tea bags, is up to you. Do it until the colors change like that. And then add some sugar. It's up to you how much sugar is it. I use 1 teaspoon of sugar. And take out the tea bags after the colors change. And stir it with spoon. The next step is add lemon juice until the color change. If you don't have a lemon juice, you can use orange juice or something like that. And stir with spoon until it's mixed. After you stir it, add some ice cube on it. You don't like to use your ice cube, you can skip it without the ice cube, so it's up to you. But in here, I use an ice cube. And the lemon tea is ready to serve. And then here, I drink it with a smaller glass. And that's all the tutorial on habits useful for you. So thank you for watching and cheerio.